Okay, what's good, Joe? So, what I just realized is that when my laptop bricked, I lost all the work I did towards optimization, but that's kind of an opportunity because that lets me do it right this time. So, um, we're gonna start off by profiling. I believe that there's already some optimizations that have been done that I still have. Yeah, so we have time tracking on untracked dependencies. Okay, so actually we do have a good amount of stuff. Okay, so first let's get the profiling in. I think I have one already. All right, so we have tick. So what I figured out. Wait, let me build it first. Um, projects, git-stats. Oops, it's git-stats. And then I go to dev, and then build with no dependencies. Okay, so what I figured out is that how to properly do the profiler. So it honestly is fine that it's not under my single scope because that allows me to have reference for how fast it's going. So here we have our tick, and then this is under tick sources, which makes sense. And it's only under tick sources, right? Yeah, it's only under tick sources. What is this? Called profile with mismatching name. Oh shoot, wait. Tick sources. Oh. Do I even need to end the profile then? What if I do this? And then it did compile, yeah. So we run it again. Okay. I guess now I need to figure out how to properly end it, considering it's under the context of another thing. Maybe I need to register the name first. OBS Studio documentation. I'm still going on this, right? Yeah. Wait. Okay, yes. I'm not blind. Profiler. I think I just saw it. It was name store, right? Name storage object. Or was it register name? No, okay. Name store. Freeze profile. Creates a formatted string and stores it within a profiler name storage object. Wait. Creates the that stores it. It stores it here. Interesting. Okay, so for start, it's just a creates a formatted string and starts with. Yeah, but that doesn't correspond with. Register root. What happens if I register the higher end, register root, and it's just a string, right? No, because I would be registering a new root, but I don't want to register a root. Hmm. Probably free. Profiler start. Freeze the profiler. Okay, so we already have an existing profiler created by OBS.
He's clean or dirty?
The node. Yeah, I don't know how I'm supposed to end the node. Well, the child of the last one was started. Because profiler start can be called in a different thread than the current thread, this is used to specify a point where it's used to re-enable profiling in the calling thread. Call this when you have root profile. Specify a save point where the root profile node isn't active, and the profile can start up in the current thread again. Yeah, okay, I'll just leave it for now, because it is giving me the data that I need. Okay, well, it cut it off, but. So what we can do is do the same for updates. Source updates. Right, so right here, and then stats updates, and I want to see where that is. Stats updates. What thread that is running into. That should be a different thread, I think. OBS multi. Update called twice. 42 milliseconds, so that's a big bottleneck. But why? Oh. Okay, so I feel like this one might be able to have a root then. Because, so this is initialization. Oh, duh. I need to proc it again. So let's update it a bunch or something. Okay, oh, exit. Okay, there we go. So it does go in here. Wait, no. Okay, so update gets called. Update. So I don't think update can get called within itself, right? Yeah, no. Okay, so I think what's happening is it's not properly closing those, so it's going to... It's looping itself, actually. And if I do re-enable thread... Actually, I think this is related, so let's get this one right first. Oops. Yeah. So for tick, right, we have this, and then it's profile re-enable thread, I think. Loop recurse failed at. Oh, this is pipewire thing. That's fine. I don't think it happened. And we're still getting tick to call constantly too. Okay, so I think that might be what I'm missing, right? Let me try it again. Make sure it ticks multiple times. Okay, yeah, so it's not right. Tick. This is exactly what I want, but I'm just missing. But this only happened. Do I spin up multiple? So this is with the callback. Updates the value. Because it's not happening there, I wonder if it happens if this is inline. Okay, it still does. Interesting. Okay, so let's push this back. And start it. The button callback. We call end. What? Because it shouldn't. That should be part of update. Did I leave something in update? Resource update. No, it doesn't look like I did. Profile. Oh, this will be a smarter way to do it. Yeah, there's only one of them. Weird. And this part is right. It's just that I guess it's missing the context of this part. Or It didn't call end. Is that possible here? Okay, so what if I move this down here? I wonder if that would run if the callback is called end. Yeah, this really needs to be. And it should be. It should be that one. No. Wait, where is it? Is it this one? Yes. Yeah, still same issue. But the same, yeah. Tick sources. So we started git-stats tick, but we're not ending it somehow. But when we end it normally, it doesn't have any of that error. Try to call callbacks, blah blah. Interesting. Yeah, I don't want to ignore it because it's a full error, but and I assume there's some sort of allocation happening there that's not being freed. But yeah, I don't know how this is possible. But this should go back. Let me think. Why would profile end? Unless something else is being ran in between this, and then I start this, it starts, or yeah, I guess it runs in between. It starts. It would start the render the tick thread and then end it. Would this help if I name the thread? OS thread name, I think was the name of it. Git. Stats. I don't know. Git stats tick thread or something. Oh. Implicit decoration, yeah. What is it called? OS set thread, is that what it is? Set thread name. Oh, I was just missing the set. Oops, I don't want to quit. OS set thread name. Really? Oh. Oh, right, because I had it in the other thing, but not this. This is... Oops. Should be there. What are we missing? Util threading. Did I save this? Yeah. OS set thread name. I did it out of order. OS thread. OS set thread name. Right? Yes, sir. Okay. Actually, we should use multi. Nope. Okay. For now, I'm not gonna waste my time on this. I feel like I'm just missing something small, so. But 64. That's way higher than I need it to be. So, we have a good goal. This is double what I need it to be right now. Which is probably also indicative of the hardware I'm on, because I'm on worse hardware, but that's better, because it'll be faster at the end of the day if I fix it. So, let's think through. Let's go to docs. Speed. Or potential solutions to speed improvement. Okay. So, what we're gonna do is, let's start with update. Right? And then the first thing that should be looked at is the overall algo. Things that performance is things like passing large memory structures around, calling non-inline functions all the time, using I/O all the time, things like that. So, this data set int, we need this if compare, so we get that data, string, Unicode, extract Unicode. Can we not say, actually, okay, we'll do notes. Because I feel like it would also be cool to look back on it. Notes, or these are potential solutions. So, wait, do I have Markdown Preview installed? Markdown Preview. Is it installed? Oh no, I uninstalled it for MarkView. Nope, it won't let me do it. Okay, that's cool. This is C. So, for this part, oops. What? Why didn't it format correctly? Okay, there we go. So for this part, default overlook. Okay, so that's good. We could also, here we could set, no, because then we would have to write twice. So eventually just write the extracted Unicode to wait, because string copy from Unicode to the overload. Just write the extracted Unicode to the overload character directly. But I also kind of want to get rid of these. It's empty. We do need to check for if it's empty or not. Static get string. Why did I do this twice? Okay, so also check to see if we need to do a check for and null. Verify, or really it's just see which one gets output to or from get data. Right, so that's one. And this is for update, right? Okay, I passed it. Update, yeah. Git stats. Stats. Update. Right? So given this, search enabled, all that, blah blah blah. We do need all of this too. Okay, so here is probably also a big one. So for this section, see, oops. Can you percent this? Oh, you can't. That would be cool. So for this, instead of freeing and then clearing the data, just clear it to begin with. It's gonna end up the same anyway. So that gets rid of like 20 lines or so. I don't know why I did it like that in the first place. It's silly. I mean, it works, but for single repos, use data, and that handles if it's 0 too, so that's good. So every time you can distribute. Is there a way in the, oh, actually, I forgot to go over here. So for OBS data array, okay, let's just go to the general thing. Auto select, okay, array functions, create, release, count. Incremented reference to object. Okay, what does that mean? What is reference. Insert pushback. Okay. Is so no, because I wouldn't have access to these members, so I do have to use their interface. Okay. String current value. And then track paths. Okay, that's fair. We do have to do that. Track paths. Repo modified times should already be 0, I think. Yes. So that's redundant. And then tracked paths being null is also redundant. If check path, current value. I see. It's okay though. So if check path, I'll keep it like that for now. So the directory of repos, this is the same thing. You need to verify which ones. Wait. Oh, that's why. Undo, 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 undo.
Come on, move. Come on.
Okay. Okay. So this is another case of verify what gets returned on empty for obvious data get string. Likely don't have to check for both. All right, and then we release our data, and then we force update to true. Okay, now let's do the same thing for tick. Isn't there a way you can do a line in here? Let me just say that. I'm pretty sure it's like that. Or something. So get stats tick. All right, this last one I'm gonna do for now. We can do tick. So first of all, for this, oops. So for this should be back one. Oh, my tabs are forward. Oh, I think this is before I reset, isn't it? So figure out why when ending the profile, it tries to end the root. So for this, okay, generally, for this entire function, it could run significant. Okay, I don't need to be typing on that. It can most likely be done in a switch case with general statements for all. Ensure that OBS, what is it? Updates. OBS source update is getting run multiple times, as that's going to be a bottleneck. We want it to run as little as possible. What else? I think that's it for now. And then I'll check out what other stuff can be done. But first up, figure out the profiler fully. And then this will then be the second thing. Okay, cool. I think that's good. And I'm gonna be pushing a lot more. I don't want to lose my stuff again. Oh wait, I am on the right branch, right? Git branch? Yep. This is mainly just docs. Timeline for timeline and notes. Not timeline. It's really just notes for refact / optimization. Oops. Gig config global. Git config global user.name. Now we can push. What? Oh. I didn't commit. Now we can push. Okay, cool. Let me make sure that went through. It's like the first time I've pushed on this laptop. git-stats. There we are. Alright, cool. Cool.